If you're buying your first home in Toronto this year, this one small mistake could cost you thousands or worse, your dream home. I'm breaking down the most common buyer traps in 2025 so that you don't fall into them. Years ago, I worked with a young couple who fell in love with a home but didn't get their financing locked in. By the time they were ready, guess what? Someone else took over the home. They were heartbroken. And it could have been avoided with one simple step. So here we go. Remember these 5 mistakes that you should never fall into. Remember, the fourth and the fifth mistake are extremely critical for buyers like you. Mistake number 1, skipping pre approval. Not knowing what you can actually afford is like shopping with monopoly money. Pre approval isn't optional in 2025, it's your ticket to the game. Mistake number 2, overcoming closing cost. If your budget stops at the sticker price, you are in for the surprise. Land transfer tax, lawyer fees, home inspection, they add up fast. So be sure to have the funds prepped for your closing cost along with your down payment. Mistake number 3, falling in love too fast. Don't let beautiful staging blind you. Ask the right questions. That walk in closet won't fix poor plumbing. Mistake number 4, not having a strategy in bidding wars. Just throwing in an offer. That's emotional buying. You need a plan, not panic. And mistake number 5, choosing the wrong agent or none at all. Your cousin's friend who just got their license may not know Toronto's market. You need an expert in your corner and a strong advocate who can stand for you. Which one of these mistakes shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments so others can learn too. And if you're finding this helpful, give it a like so YouTube shows it to more first-time buyers just like you. Coming up next, that one mindset shift every smart buyer makes. Don't miss it. Okay, remember the couple I mentioned? They came back 6 months later. This time with a plan, pre-approval ready, budget set, and clear must-have list. We found a better home and they closed fast, super happy with no regrets. Buying your first home should feel exciting, not exhausting. Avoid these mistakes, move smart, and make decisions with clarity. If you found this helpful, subscribe for weekly tips made just for buyers like you, and share this with someone who needs to hear it before they start their journey. You got this, and I got your back.